Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to fix problem that iPhone is lagging after updating on iOS 17. So first thing first, just check that your iPhone is up to date for the latest version of iOS. So go to settings, then go to general and software update, and click on update now right here. After that, if it's not help, just try force restart your iPhone. For that, just click on a volume up button, then release, then volume down button, then release, and click on a power button and keep pressing the power button. So volume up, volume down, and keep pressing power button until iPhone will turn off. Don't do slide to power off, just wait to restart your iPhone. So thank you for watching. Hope it worked for you. Bye.